Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Ford Fiesta key fob. This simple, step-by-step guide will help you get your remote working in just a few minutes. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure all your car doors are closed, and then take a seat in the driver's position, ready to begin. Now, let's get your car into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition. You'll need to turn the ignition from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times. It's important to do this quickly, within 8 seconds, and finish with the key in the RUN position. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when the door locks cycle or you hear a distinct chime. Once you're in programming mode, it's time to link your fobs. Within 10 seconds of hearing the chime, press any button on the first key fob you wish to program. The vehicle's door locks will cycle again, or you'll hear another chime, confirming that remote is programmed. If you have more fobs, repeat this exact step for each one, ensuring you do so within 10 seconds of the last. To finalize the process, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, remove the key from the ignition. It's crucial to test each key fob you've just programmed. Press the lock and unlock buttons on every remote to confirm they are all working perfectly and can control your vehicle's doors as expected. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.